Here are some marketing tips for sale by owners that can help you successfully sell and market your property. Tip number one, professional photos matter. So invest in high quality photography to showcase your home's best features. First impressions normally start online. Tip number two, write a compelling listing description. Inside of this listing description, you want to highlight the unique features of your property, any recent upgrades you've made, and even things that make your neighborhood stand out and special. So make sure you also include keywords that buyers might search for in your listing description. Tip number three, do stage your home. So make sure you declutter and arrange your furniture so that it is open and spacious and well lit so that buyers can envision themselves there. Tip number four, leverage your social media. So share your listing on all your social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, local community groups. The more eyes that see it, the better. Tip number five, create curb appeal. So make sure that the exterior of your home looks good. So fresh paint, clean landscaping, tidy up the entrance. It's all going to make a big difference. Tip number six, host open houses and virtual tours. So give buyers a chance to explore your home in person or online. So you want to make sure that it's comfortable for them, that they feel welcome, and that it's available for them to come and take a look. Utilize these tips and best wishes on selling your home.